Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to do some unboxing of some parts and stuff that MXR has sent us out. And this one's definitely going to help with our build. Like I said, I had to reach out to a couple of companies to help out with the build for the F23 engine that we're putting together. Of course, MXR, big sponsor of the channel, was on board and sent us out a set of rods for the build. And they also sent us out another foam cannon. This is a different design, so I'll leave all this in the description. But let's go ahead and get to the unboxing stuff, you know? Of course, we're going to go with the rods first, because race car parts. So, alright, it comes with stickers and instructions. We'll see. Let's see what it is. Installation instructions. Actually, that's pretty cool. It tells you like how to offset your piston rings and everything in here. That's cool. And it's in multiple languages, so that's a good thing. And this is what? Oh, this just tells you about MXR, their parts and stuff, the history of them. They started back in 2006. That's 20 years. People sleep on them. I'm telling you, people sleep on MXR. But they're actually a really good company. And then their branches all over. A bunch of different stuff they sell. Coilovers, their rods, everything. Nice, nice. They're sponsored drivers. What's going on, Orion? I don't see you in here. Oh, you said you were a sponsored driver. Their turbos, coilovers, air suspension stuff. And then, dun dun dun, the rods. And they got some weight to them. There's a staple there. Careful. Careful. I don't want to touch this too much because it's got some grease on it and stuff, but yeah, it's lubricated and stuff. Oh yeah, Max P rods. We'll go more in depth with the rods in a different video and stuff. Just because there's oil all over them. I don't want to get that on my hands. So yeah, and then obviously there comes with 4 of them. And I believe these rods are rated for 200 horsepower each, but that's block power. They do come with the ARP 2000 bolts, and then you can upgrade to the L19 bolts if you want for an upcharge. But link to this will be down in the description. This is going to help with the F23 build. Like I said, there's a couple other companies, but this one's from MXR. And then you guys know they sent us a foam cannon already. This is a different one they have. They asked if I wanted to do an unboxing on this one to show this one as well. And I said, of course, why not? And they said, with this one, I can keep it, do a giveaway on it, whatever I want to do. So, we might keep both of them just so we have one dedicated to like car wash stuff and one for like engine cleaning and stuff. I don't know. Let's see the difference. This one's all together as well. Let's see. This one's bigger. See, you got your suction tube. That goes right on there. Put your fluid, your liquids in here, your car wash foam can stuff or whatever you use. Ooh, that one got a lot. Clips in. Nice. Yes, sir. And then it's got another little nozzle in there too that will go in here. And then just like the other one, you can adjust for more water or more soap and adjust your fan too here. That's nice. Very nice, very nice. And then your user's manual, owner's manual. Kind of tells you how to use it, what's included in it, how to keep it clean, all that stuff. Nice. So yeah, guys, link to this will be down in the description as well. If you guys want to check out this product, the foam cannon or the rods, both links will be down in the description to these products. And once again, massive shout out for MXR for always helping out on the channel, whether it's sending out products like this or parts like this for our builds, whether it's for engine stuff, car stuff, suspension stuff, whatever it is, just keeping, you know, the channel alive, helping with content and stuff, and be able to show their products, guys. So a lot of people do talk bad on MXR, but try them out. Use the link in the description with the discount code CARDUDE. Save you guys money at checkout. You guys won't be disappointed. They have really good stuff, but you gotta remember, you pay for what you get. If you get cheaper stuff, you get cheap stuff. You know, you get more expensive stuff, you get better quality. So thank you once again to MXR for sponsoring this video, and link to all this will be down in the description. Really quickly, guys, before I close out the video, I want you to look at the thickness between the MXR rods and the stock rods. That right there will show you guys. These some beefy boys, you know? Yeah. Link in the description. Don't be sleeping, guys. The rods to this foam cannon, the other foam cannon, and browse their website, guys. And use that code CARDUDE to save you guys some money. Thank you guys for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless.